on the 7th of September 2025 at 6:08 p.m. Universal Time. The moon will reach full visibility and brightness at 15 degrees of Pisces, before it's then plunged into sudden shadow and darkness. So this is not an ordinary full moon, but it's a total lunar eclipse. If you like, it's a full moon that's packing a punch. Eclipses can be catalysts for change, and they herald karmic and important beginnings and endings, and they accelerate our storyline. This Pisces eclipse is the second in a rare series of 3 lunar eclipses in Pisces, a sign that has been drawing our attention as planets crossed the boundary this year from Pisces to Aries and then returned, creating a cosmic stitch in the sky. Saturn is the latest planet to perform this dance, returning across the border from the fire of Aries into the otherworldly intuitive waters of mutable Pisces on the 1st of September. The series of 3 lunar eclipses we are experiencing in Pisces highlights a period which invites us into deeper spiritual reflection, surrender, and transformation. The